Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video. Right now we'll be talking about number 444. What it means when you start seeing combination of number 444. So if we go into numerology, number 4 is bringing us a truly great vibration which can help you to organize your mind. But it is also bringing us a vibration of stability, vibration of discipline, vibration of practice. Number 4 is truly powerful number when it comes to taking action. So if you're seeing number 444 all over the place, it is your reminder to stop waiting the changes, stop waiting the results, stop waiting the opportunities, stop waiting your manifestations, but rather trust the process while you're taking actions towards making the wanting results. Seek for the signs which are already appearing in your life that your manifestation is coming. Maybe you're not seeing money on your bank account yet, or maybe you're not seeing that person which will become a love of your life, or whatever it is. But you're meeting new people, or you're receiving new ideas, or you're progressing at your job or at your company, or you're spiritually evolving. Slowly you're getting to a deeper understanding of yourself. At some areas of your life you're evolving, and this is the moment to express gratitude for your evolution and to seek what kind of changes and what kind of actions you can apply today so you can manifest the wanting results. Often people are waiting changes, right? Often people are waiting manifestations, but how often we truly sit down, we write a plan, and we initiate that plan? I love to do that for myself because I found out in my past that I can wait my results as long as I can, but nothing will change until I will change myself, until I will change my energy, my vibration. At the beginning, often it is hard to take certain actions. But then we make a habit out of doing it consistently. Every single day we start moving towards what we want to achieve. You maybe want to become a successful artist, and you're wondering how to reach more people with my art, and maybe you've started a YouTube channel and you see no improvement, or you see no growth on that YouTube channel. Maybe your YouTube channel is not growing, but your understanding and your knowledge about how YouTube is working, how the algorithms are working, you're improving your style of filming and editing videos. Those are the things that many people are not noticing while they're making progress. You don't see the results yet, but you should seek for how much you've improved yourself already and how much you are improving every single day when you're taking action. Number 444 is your reminder that seek for what is already changing, because that's how we can raise our vibration to more gratitude. And we start appreciating more our path. Results will come because through that path of transformation, you will find new ways, you will find new paths, and you will make the necessary changes you will feel intuitively that you need to make in order to manifest what you want to manifest. But before all those things will happen, you will need to make certain necessary changes, you will need to take certain necessary actions. And when you find yourself waiting, when results are not appearing, you will most probably start seeing number 444. So let's say to yourself, this time I will be different. I will stop waiting and I will start truly looking what is already improving in my life. And how can I speed up that process of manifestation? Because the power is always within you. Let's say you will start your day by visualizing the results or writing down the precise ideas, like I told you in the video how we've manifested our new home. The precise goals, and you will be repeating them every single day, not because you want to figure out something, but because you want to imprint those new vibrations into your subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is a mind of repetition, mind of a habit. As soon as you will install those new vibrations, new information into your subconscious mind, your subconsciously you will start vibrating as those results are already present, and that's where you will start attracting opportunities. And your conscious mind will be guided and gravitated towards those opportunities, so you will be able to see them. And once you will be able to see them, you will feel deep inside that you need to make something out of it. This is your sign, this is your confirmation, this is your omen from the universe that this is your time. Don't waste it. Don't waste your life waiting results which will never come if you are not initiating your plan. So number 444 is your urgent sign from the universe. I will say urgent because it is. Often when people are waiting, they are seeing number 444. So take care of your discipline, because sometimes I find people think like spiritual people shouldn't be disciplined. But people which are not disciplined are always distracted by outside noise. We need to create and develop certain discipline which can support who we are about to become and what we are doing with our lives. If you're daily meditating, it is already a certain discipline. If you're already every single day initiating your plan, your goals, your visions, it is a discipline, and we need to build that discipline. And think about how can you improve your actions, the practice that you're doing with your ideas, right? When we put certain knowledge into practice. Let's say we took the example from before, the YouTube channel. You're making videos. Constantly, you're making videos and you see no growth. Maybe you see no growth because the universe is reminding you can make it better. You can become more authentic. You can become more creative. Stop looking so much what other people are doing, but rather focus on your authenticity. Usually it takes more years to find our authenticity. And during that time, the universe will be preparing you to manifest everything you want to manifest. Remember, everything will find you. But firstly, you need to find yourself. Right? Firstly, you need to find yourself. Once you will find your authentic self, everything will start flowing to you. People will notice you. People will see you as a unique being, and that's what is attracting people. That's what is attracting audience. Because there's already too many people which are just copying one another. But there's not many authentic people. And that's what is truly building your audience, if that is your goal. Same is with companies, same is with products, or you want to build a certain workshops, or you want to write a book and you're thinking about what should be the best name of the book or the best cover of the book. Maybe you just need to tap into your intuition and ask it for guidance. Ask it for the right name, the right cover, everything you need to know. It will come to you when you will be ready to receive it. And if you're wondering when I will be ready to receive it, when you will be at that vibrational frequency of being ready. So what is vibrational frequency of being ready? I've learned in my life that more I'm happy, more I'm joyful in my life, more I am in tune with my intuition, and that's where I'm downloading the greatest possible ideas for my YouTube channel, for my artwork, for my personal life, my spiritual life, all aspects of my life. So when we become more aware of what we need to do to become more joyful, or what we need to let go of to become more joyful, we will in tune deeper with our intuition. So the question is always how to do that, right? We are getting back to practical steps. That's the vibration of number 4, put things into practice. How to become more joyful, more happy. Often when we're talking about spirituality, many people think that being spiritual is always being joyful and being happy, but it's not the truth. It's also being afraid but overcoming fears. It's also being angry but not letting anger to control us. That's all a part of our spiritual evolution. You don't need to be any different if you're working on your spiritual evolution. You can be completely normal, whatever normal is. You don't need to wear different clothes because you're working on your spiritual evolution. You don't need to use different words because you're working on your spiritual evolution. You just need to put things into practice so you can see what works for you and what doesn't work for you. And that's where the universe will support you. Because the universe always conspires to make things for you when you're taking action and you're overcoming yourself, your limited idea of yourself. Because our life is always based on the story that we are telling to ourselves. And once we start overcoming that story, we are stepping on to the next stage of our lives. The next stage is always higher and it's wider. We see more things. Our perception is more clear. We gain that greater clarity and we elevate our emotional state. We actually experience more joy, more peacefulness, that inner peace. And we become happier and we step into a greater alignment with the vibration of abundance and vibration of love, and we start attracting more of that. We start attracting more beautiful, positive people in our lives. And I'm talking that from my experiences because I'm meeting so often those kind of happy people. I go into a shopping center and I meet so many positive people. Like I always say like, oh, this is truly a beautiful place to be. And it's true, once we raise our vibration, we just start to see more positive things, more positive outcomes. And it feels like we are actually living on a different world because our vibration is different. So if you're seeing number 444, this is your urgent sign that it's time to take action. It's time to organize your mind. It's time to build greater discipline. It's time to stop waiting and start creating. Start walking towards your manifestation. Seek for what is already improving in your life. Appreciate that. Express gratitude. Always find little things to be grateful for. And you will see that there will always be more things to appreciate. So this is it for now. My friends, have a beautiful day. I'm sending you all love, blessings, and lots of power. If you would love to learn to paint with me, or you would love to start creating, join me on my other YouTube channel. Link is in the description. Art Time is the name. And see you there. Till next time, one love.